My name is Mrs. Onuche Lynda. I am a staff of National Open University of Nigeria from the Directorate of Entrepreneurship and General Studies. For over time now, I've been looking for an opportunity for me to showcase my handwork. I'm into fashion, and the name of my fashion is Elsie Gold Exclusive Fashion. This is a great opportunity for me to display my work, and I invite you to come with me and see some of the work I've done and the one I will do here right now for you to see. So now let's check out. So here with me I have a fabric, a very nice material that I want to make for an A-line fashion. I'm into both male and female, so I'm a unisex designer. So but right now I want to make for the female, which is an A-line. So we'll start from the shoulder. So you measure the shoulder. Here I have a shoulder. Every good designer must have a proper measurement, because that is where your work starts. So once you have the proper measurement, then other things can follow. I have a shoulder which I have number here with me, about 15 inches. So by the time you divide it into two, we have 7. So you do your shoulder slant. I used to give my shoulder slant of about 1 inch for a female. That is if I'm making for a female. Then my armhole for this person, I'm going to give about 8. Then this is where my neck is. Here is the shoulder. Here is the armhole. So we have the bust. We measure from shoulder to bust. Here I have about 10. So this is my shoulder to bust. I have about 10. Then I have the measurement for bust, which is 39. Then you divide it into 4. 39 divided by 4, I have about 9.25. So you give it 9.25 accurately. Then you add your allowance. Every good tailor must add allowance, except you are making a suit. That's when allowance is not necessary. But you must add your allowance as a good tailor in case of any emergency. Then I have my waist. That's where I can have my my half length is 16. So that's where I can have my waist for this very one, for this customer. So my waist measurement is 38 divided by 4, which I have about 9.5. This will enable me to have a very good shape of what I'm doing. Then you give it 2 inches allowance. Then I also have my bust and my hip. The hip I have here is 44. So to enable me have my hip very well, the hip, then I add 2 inches as allowance. Then I have my full length, which is 40. Okay, I have my full length, which is 40. Then I can roll it down. So when you roll it down, this is your armhole, you curve it. After curving it, then this cloth is ready for you to cut. And that is all about how you make your A-line gown. So this is as for measurement and also how you cut your material. But because of time, let's go into some of the work we have done earlier for the customers. I have for the female ones, I have a peplum gown. I have a peplum top here. This is two-step peplum, and we also have a design on the shoulder. So as you can see, in this kind of material, you just have to follow a pattern of how the material is for you to bring out this design. This is double-step peplum, and this peplum, you go by the measurement of 720 for you to get something like this, for it to stand well. So as a good fashion designer, you take note of some of these things, the pattern of the clothes, and you concentrate. Like this one now, the customer asked me, okay, yeah, like this one, this is a soft padded breast pad, and this is a double step peplum. So as you can see, this is it. Then also I have with me here a lace material for a customer as well. This is another style. This is a pencil gown. This is a pencil gown with a bubble hand. So this is it, and here is the back. So that is how it goes. This also has to do with a soft pad. It depends on the customer what you want, either hard one or soft one, but I want to assure you that this goes well on the customer and is quite perfect. Then also I have some male with me and even children. As you can see, this is for a baby boy of a year plus. This is agbada made for, I am into both male and female as I told you earlier. So this is agbada made for a baby of 1 year plus. From your side, you can see that it will actually go well on that baby. Look at the design, everything is in order. Here is the trouser. Even as a baby, we make sure that the pencil is well cut. It's a matured pencil, not like a pencil that some little boys wear. No, this is a matured pencil. Even for an adult, this pencil will be accurate. This is a matured person senator wear. As you can see the design. So we have our flap here. This is a straight flap. Here is our pockets, and the folding of this one is outer one, and this is how it come out. So this is for a senator design, and this is how it goes. And here is the back. So as you can see, then we also, and here is the trouser as well. So like I said, it's a matured pencil for both adults and whoever that is interested, and that is it. Also, I have another senator here, a different material also. This for the same person. So this is looking almost like a double flap, and this is what the customer wanted, and I actually give it to the customer what he wants. So look at it, and this is it. This is the back, here is the front. So this is a senator with the couplings. So also here is the trouser as well. This is the trouser, this is the inner, and that is how it all goes. So these are some of our works. This is a straight pencil skirt. Straight pencil skirt. And as you can see, it's okay. And this is it. So, and also this is another peplum, a peplum top with a peplum hand. So this is how this one goes. As you can see, there's an opening here. This is what the customer wants, and that is how it is. This is one step peplum, and that is how it is. Thank you very much, and I'm sure you would like to visit us over again.